This is coming from Malacreative. Malacreative, or anyhow you want to pronounce it, Malacreative, or Malacreative. My name is Niyamuda. I'm going to show you how you can actually create something like this using your smartphone without any other software, just with your smartphone, and it's going to be very, very fast. So the first thing you want to do is to get the images and everything you want to use for the design. Okay, so I have a course. It's a video course, a very detailed video course on how to generate the backgrounds, how do you search for background, how do you get the resources, because some of you are asking me, sir, how do you usually get the resources for your design, how do you get the exact resources, where do you get this from, where do you download it from, is there a particular website you download it from, is there a tool used to download it, blah 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 blah. All right, so that video course is going to explain to you in detail how to download any kind of resources. Mark my words, any kind of resources that you want to use for your design. Is very, very good. It's going to help you a lot. That video course is currently 5,000 naira, 5,000 Nigerian naira. So if you are interested, just send me a DM on WhatsApp. Send me a DM on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the description, or you can just get it now, 081-366-50244. If you're interested in that course, just come and get it. Remember, it's a knowledge you're going to use continually. The course is 5,000 naira now. Very soon it's going to be 10,000 naira. So if you want to get it for 5,000 naira, please do it too. Send me a DM and get it for the first 20 people can get it at that amount. All right, good luck to you. So let's go. This is the screen. So what I want to do is to click here first. I'm going to click on from gallery. I'm going to import this guy, which is going to be our reference. All right, this is going to be our reference. I want to download something right now. I want to download the Salvation logo, Salvation Ministry. This is Salvation Ministries, right? Logo. So let's see if we can get a decent one that we can use. Let's go to images. All right, so there are many of them here. So let's look at these first. All right, I think we can use this because we need to remove the background. So let's use this one. Okay, if I click visit, what will happen? Let's see. I don't want to waste time. That's why I don't want to even visit the website itself. So you see, it's wasting my time. I don't want to waste time. So let's go. All right, so this is it, right? Okay. So let's quickly remove the image. We'll bring the image we're going to be using. So this is the image we're going to be using. All right. So what we just need to do is to drag it and make it fit here. All right. Now, let me not waste your time. Let me just show you something. I want to take this background now, to be what? Let's say white. Then I want to bring in this original background. The background I'm going to be using. All right. This is it. So what I'm going to do right here is just to drag it. Let's drag it till it feels everywhere and lock it. Alright, then we can send it to the back. Okay, before I even send it to the back, let me move this picture so that you can see what I want to do now. Now, bring the original design, which is this one, because I want to show you something. So bring the original design so that I will show you what I want to show you. So I'm going to drag it like this. Now I'm going to show you something right now. Now, if you notice this original design, there are three shapes at the back. Alright, so like this. So let's just get the shapes like this. Like this. All right, if you look at it, you see that the one of them is looking like it's cut or half. So see what we're going to do for that. We'll just copy this one. Then we're going to do like this, then do like this. Just don't worry, just rotate it like this. Then we'll put it there. Okay, come here. Put it there like this. All right. Watch what I want to do. Then I'm going to copy get this shape. All right. Then I'm going to fix it there. All right, something like this. Make sure that it's entering very well. Right, then let's change this background. This one, let's change the color to something that is different, totally different from the original color there. Then make sure that it's sitting very well. So let's adjust it. Okay, not bad. All right, then what we're going to do right now is to merge them together. It's going to leave the white for you. So look at what I want to do. I'll merge 1, 2, 3 together. All right, if I merge them together, see what I'm going to get. I'll get this. Then so that I can erase one of the colors, but it's going to be the green. The white will not be left for me. So I have this guy now. I see that now. I have that guy. So let me reduce it like this. So I can copy it and I can put it here. All I need to do is to come here and do this. Right, so I can put it here. So I have this one also. I see that now. Then this one, of course, is just going to be a normal shape here, a rectangular shape. There's no need for any don't forget to like this video and share it. There's no need for anything here, so that is that. So let's just centralize this one first, put it at the center, and then all these other ones, they are done. See what I'm going to do right now next. What we're going to do next is that we want to merge all of them together. So I'm going to merge all of it together. So I'm going to do 1 2 3. I will merge, click on merge, and I'll merge them together. Okay, so I've merged them together. It's now one entity. Then the next thing I want to do is to bring the background. So I'm going to remove this one now. All right, this background right here is now forming the other background. But look now, this one I will merge together. We will select a color that is different from the color in the background, not close to it, something that is totally different, right? Like green now. So there's no green in this background. There's nothing like green. If you check very well, there's nothing like black even self. There's nothing like black. So make sure that the color you want to choose is a color that is not in the background. Even a small portion of it is not in the background. So if we use black, for example, and then we'll come here and we'll mesh the background and this one together. That is this particular guy. We meshed this together. We merge this one together to form one object. Then this one background is another object. So we have to merge both of them together. Alright. So when we merge the background and this guy together, we're going to get one object. Are you getting me now? We're going to get one single object, which is, are you seeing it now? That's the object we've gotten. So it's going to be now become one thing. Alright, it's going to be one background, but it's going to have the black. So what we'll do now, we'll select it like this. We'll click here. Look at what I'm clicking. Let me show you. We'll click this place here to select. Alright, so when we click that place, it will now select like this. When you select, you come here and click. After you click select, you now come here. Where am I? After you click select, you will come here and click that place again. So that's what I just did now. So I click select, then I came here and I click here again. When I click there, I will now come here. I mean, that means it's selected now. Are you getting me now? It's selected now. So I will scroll down to where I have this erase color. I will erase only the black. So I will select only the black. If I erase this color white now, you'll see that it will go out. But I want to remove only the black. If I remove only the black, I'll have a white background. The black will be removed though. You are not seeing it because the background is white. That's why you are not seeing it very well. So I want to put a different background. You'll see that it's going to show. Are you seeing it? If I put this one, it's going to show. That means the back now is not free. So, but what I want to do next is to come here, select it again, and then I'm going to go to shadow, inner shadow. I'm going to do this. I'm going to enable it. Okay, so I'm going to increase the blur. Okay. No. Okay, increase it just a little. Increase it. Let's increase this and see. Okay. Alright, so let's leave it there. Then after you have done all these one, you want to get images you want to put at the back of this particular shape. Then you can now bring this guy, this man's image, you can now bring it now to the front like this. When I open it, you now bring it to the front. Alright, so we can now begin to look for the images. So I just want to use some of the images that I'm seeing right here. So let's begin with this one, for example. So we're going to click here, and then we're going to enable it. So we'll just come here, fix it like this. Make sure that the head is going to be showing. Then you send it. Before I send it to the back, let me even crop it safe. So let's crop it. Let's do it like this. Then send it. Look at it. Put it in a way that it can actually. Don't do it like the way I'm doing it. So just reduce it. Make sure that it's entering like this. Okay, so you can send it to the back now. Are you seeing it now? Are you seeing that now? All right. Then that's what you do for the other ones. Let's select another picture. Let's select another image. Okay, let's select this one of this man. That's like smiling. Let's select this one. So first select this one and do it like this, then come back again and start to adjust it to your taste. So let's pick the head and do it like this, and then come here. Just come here and put it there. Reduce it. Make sure that it's entering very well. Nothing is coming out. They'll send it to the back like this. Alright, so you push it. No, not this one. Then the last one. You use this man for the last one. So this is just for practice. So after that, you click on crop, then crop it. And then you bring it here. So let's bring this one here. Make sure that it's not entering this on this side. Just bring it to this place like this. Send it to the back. Alright. So after you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to bring in a lighting effect that will shoot inside all these guys. Like it will enter. So see what we're going to do now first. So if you want to edit the pictures to have one particular kind of feel, or you can do that. But see what I want to do now. I want to get the what's it called? I want to get this light effect. I have sent it. I've uploaded it in most of the tutorials. So by now you should have it already. All right. So see what I'm going to do here. So for the original design, let's check. Let's look at the original design, you can see there's this lighting around the whole place. All right, so I'm going to come here and I'm going to let's see it again. All right, so let's come here. Let's drag this guy. All right, let's check the hue. All right, you see that now. So we can come here and put this one here. We can come here. Let's check again. All right, we can come here. We can come here. There's still the light here. We can come here and put this one here. Let me just even do this so that the light will come here. Yes. All right, then let's bring this picture to the front again, like this. So let's check again. We'll see that this light is also around this part here, this place here. So let's rotate it. All right, because I want that something like that. You see that now. So after that, let's check again. What else? All right, if you check very well, okay, we can. I think we're good to go. Then what we want to do right now is to bring in those lighting effects. So just go to sticker. All right, go to sticker. We can check for any custom light that we have here. Make sure you look for the one that has color already. Like this one I choose now. It has color already. So we'll just come here and we'll just put it like this. All right, just drag it. All right, still drag it. So I'll put it there. Then we'll reduce it and put it there. So because it has color, I want to go to color filters and I will just make sure that I bring out the color very well. Let me increase this guy so that you've seen it. So I'll make sure I bring out the color very well. Alright, so that it's shining. So I'll just copy it. I think I want to still drag it. So let's drag it. So let's bring it here. Alright, I still want to let me bring it so that I can see it very well. So I still want to increase the brightness. Alright, so that feel of color there, that feeling of how is it? Let's copy it. Okay, so what do you think the logs they go now? So go back. It's copy, I copied. Alright, so I'm going to click here so that I can bring it to where I can see it. So this is it. Alright, then I will copy this. Where is it? This one. I will bring it back to here where I can see it. So I can come here. Alright, I'll copy it and I'll come here and I'll click here. It will come to the middle and then I'll put it here. Alright, so I've created that lighting effect around this whole design. Are you getting me now? The next thing we want to do right now is to bring the church logo, but let's lock this guy. All right, if we lock it, we're going to see everything's going to be fine like this. So let's bring the church logo that we just downloaded, which is this one here. So because we want to use a simple plain background, just click here and remove all the colors. So we'll just come here and just select it and make it white. Right, white like this, and then we'll just reduce it there. So reduce it, and then we'll centralize it. That will bring it to the center of the design. All right, so yeah, you just have the words commanding exploits. All right, so we just use a simple font there. So just come here, commanding exploit. So for here, we'll just come and look for a decent font. All right, so it's a tutorial. I'm not trying to maybe use the exact font. All right, so I just want to use something so that we can just go like the video. So let's pick the background color. So let's pick one of the background color here. All right, so just come here, commanding exploit. So copy and then put the exploit there. Don't forget to like the video. Like it, because when you like the video, you're actually telling YouTube that, oh, I want this video to be recommended to one more person. So for every time you like the video, somebody that is like you is going to see the video, and I want to really appreciate you for that thing you are doing for me. God bless you richly. All right, so if you notice very well, there's this light, this shadow that is showing up there in all these shapes. So what I'm going to do right now, what I'm going to do right now is to merge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 together. I will merge them together. I have a reason why I'm doing it, because I want to clean a part of it. All right, the part of it that is showing. So I'm just going to go here to eraser. I'm going to increase this guy. All right, you see that light, that blue light is showing there. I want to clean all of it. All right, this is showing here too. I may just leave one of it. Actually, is it? I removed it, so everything is in order now. So when you are done, what you want to do is just to go ahead and save your design. Save your design. You're good to go. You can see how fast it is. Don't worry that it's taking a little more time, because I'm actually explaining some things to you. All right, so remember, I have a course that can teach you how you can get the exact fonts, exact whatsoever it is. All right, so let me tell you something very, very important. Whenever you are working for a client, you want to click on pop. You want to ensure that you make more money if there is a need for it. Now, because you think as a businessman when you are doing business. All right, you think strictly as a businessman when you are doing what? Business. Now when a client comes to you and said, I want this job now, I want it within 2 hours, like the job is an urgent job. Now don't charge the same amount for your other jobs. Are you getting me now? So when your client comes and you look at it, the job is an urgent job, it's going to need you to do your job now. Charge a different fee for it. If normally you deliver your flyer design, let's say within the space of, let me use contrast. Let's say you deliver your flyer design within 24 hours, and now the client is telling you now that he needs this flyer within 2 hours, or he needs it today, whereas you're supposed to deliver it tomorrow. But the client said, I want it today. No. Don't give the client the same price that you usually give to your other client, for your other project. Why? Because you're going to be leaving every other thing and focusing on this job. So you have to make money for it. You have to learn how to make money. So instead of saying the same 10,000 naira or the same 5,000 naira or the same 20,000 naira that you charge, you want to increase it to ×2 of what you charge, or even 50% extra of what you charge, so that those clients that want urgent job will know that you are giving them priority. People pay for priority. All right, that's called express service. All right, so you should charge for it. If you don't charge for it, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. Every client that comes and mount pressure on you, please charge for your pressure. there's what I call pressure fee. Charge for it. Urgent fee. Charge for it. You can tell them, if you want this flyer to be ready within the next 2 hours, I can deliver it. It's going to be 50,000 naira, or it's going to be 40,000 naira, or it's going to be 20,000 naira, but more than what you used to charge. Then you can tell them that if you want it to be ready the normal way, I can deliver within 72 hours, 3 days, or I can deliver within 48 hours. That's the normal rate. It's going to be, let's say, 10,000 naira, for example. All right, or 5,000 naira, depends on your level or how much you are charging. And then you tell them, and they'll wait. They have to wait. But if they want it urgently today, now, then you should learn how to charge for it. I hope you get value. I hope you got value. I've taught you one thing that can make you to make more money. But those clients that will just come, I want the flyer now, as if they don't have plans in their own life, as if they don't know that they needed flyer before. Since they are coming and they're needing it urgently, you should be charging for urgent fee, pressure fee. Charge for it, and you'll see that you'll make more money, and give them value for that money. Please give your client value for that money. My name is Niyamuda, and I hope you like this video. This is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go over to YouTube. I want you to, if you're in Nigeria, I want you to watch this video on how to register and get your team. You're going to be needing it come January 2026. You're going to be needing it going forward. So watch this video, go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to drop a link in the description. Watch it, okay? After you're done, you want to go to my main channel while you are watching this particular tutorial, and you want to click on subscribe. So click on my video now, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then go to the video you're watching right now. You will see the thanks button. You'll see thanks. If you don't know what the thanks button is, let me quickly show you what the thanks button is, because some of you maybe you don't know. So I'm going to show you right now. Let me pause this ad first. So you're going to go to thanks. Look at it here. This is the thanks. You're going to click on thanks. Are you seeing that now? You're going to click on thanks, and you're going to send me a thank you. All right. I deserve. if you have been following this channel, you know that you have gotten value. So you can click on any thanks. You can buy me a thanks, super thanks. All right. I've received a lot of thank you to comment, but I want super thanks. Support Niyamuda TV. All right, you can send any amount here. All right, if you want more, you can click on more. All right, just click and then you click on send. When you click on send, just add your card details. All right, just add your card details and send buy the thanks for me. And then you're good to go. Super thanks. I will see it. I'm going to send you an appreciation email. God bless you and thank you.